You can't drive with that there?
Well, because then it'll come forward.
It's pretty, like, secure. Hey, guys. We just did a little Ulta trip. We're gonna do a haul for you. First, we got, am I a beauty guru yet? It's like a BB cream with SPF because it's summer and I don't want to wear foundation anymore. This is literally like the only eyeliner that I ever use, called Line Stiletto by Maybelline.
I've tried high-end ones and this just works better for me.
Then I got Fit Me fucking packed
Fucking bitch.
setting powder because
I ran out of my Laura Mercier loose powder and
we're gonna try something new. This is literally just chapstick, but it's Burt's Bees Ultra Conditioning. And then last thing is this Not Your Mother's Wave Sea Salt Spray because
my hair's gross and it's like not wavy but also not straight, so I want to like spray it after I get out of the shower so that it'll be wavy and cute.
So, Gianna, what did you get? I'll hold things up and you talk about them, okay?
I got one fucking thing.
Oh, okay. It's called...
Garnier Skin Active Cleansing Water.
Guys, can we do OOTDs? Okay, so today I'm wearing these like ripped jeans from American Eagle, which are just a really cute like summer rainy look when it's raining, but it's also like kind of warm, you know what I'm saying? And then I'm just wearing this like gross white t-shirt because I work after this and that's my uniform. I'm wearing this pretty rad rain jacket with purple zippers that I got at a thrift store. Yeah, I thrifted this bitch. And I think it's pretty cute. I'm wearing my Adidas slides because I'm gross and it's raining, so why wouldn't I wear open-toed shoes?
I'm wearing a cropped sweatshirt that I got from H&M and some Nike white shorts.
Oh. Well, I was there and I was like, go
I was
away.
like, no,
You know?
you're not. I'm gonna take you guys with me to Dunkin'.
Yes. Should I have my second iced coffee of the day? I'm gonna be so jazzed at work. Customers are gonna walk in and be like, hi, how are you? Wait, there's a Dunkin' here?
Yeah, did you guys not know that?
I've never been here.
Get that spot, girl.
Alright, I'm gonna need a donut right here, right
Oh, that's not what you like to see. I'm like a mom. My Joey.
There's sidewalks.
But this is more fun. We're not gonna talk about it. It's fine. Can I have a medium French vanilla swirl iced coffee with milk, please? So, guys, who are we beefing right now?
Are we beefing with anyone?
Yeah.
Who are you beefing with?
I think that we should kill him. Trademark. Could that be my brand? What's the name of the kind of car that has?
I don't know. No, it's like the white one and it's like all the Land Rover? Yeah, no, I want one of those or a Jeep. Or I want that kind of Jeep. I don't want like a Jeep. I want a Jeep. I want a Jeep Wrangler, bitch. Like that shit is so fucking cute. No, yeah, that's the one I have. That's a Jeep Cherokee. I want a Jeep Cherokee.
Okay, well, that's just not as cool, but it's okay. I
don't
want a
understand.
motorcycle. A good boy. Oh.
I really wish my car had an aux cord. It's so fucking old. That aux cords weren't a thing.
I love this song!
This is my hype song. I've never heard this song. Are you fucking stupid? Oh my god, I love this song!
We were fucking driving. Sorry, I just like ripped your arm off the steering wheel, but we were driving past the high school and walk out looking like gods. And
We low-key stalked them.
we drove past them like 4 times. They must have noticed, but it was so funny. They looked really hot. Did I ever tell you the story that when we first moved to Ridgewood, my parents were like mingling with the other Ridge parents, and they were like, oh yeah, we live on the west side, and then the other parents were like,
Oh, really? Like, you just seem more like East Side people. Did they really?
the east side is like less wealthy side. Every time we say something that's tea, I'm gonna take a sip. That boy is pooping. So good boy.
See, that's what I wonder. I'm like, if you're having someone work so much, it's like, do you like them as a worker? I don't understand.
I saw this picture thing, meme thing, where it was like me when I don't get scheduled a lot, and it's like, and then it was like me when I get scheduled a lot.
Me.
Should I vlog while I'm working?
Yes.
Okay. So see you at the bakery maybe if I decide to vlog.
Hey guys, welcome to the bakery.
So this is where I work. Hey, on that bakery grind. Hi, how are you? Hi, how are you? Hi, how are you? I think I'm too annoying to be a YouTuber. Well, YouTubers are annoying.
Emma Chamberlain, I fucking love her. I love her. I started watching her the other day. I've been like binging every video. I love her. She's so like chill though, not like fake and yeah, she's like
I'm ugly.
me.
She saw the camera. She dropped off a package and I don't know what to do with it. What is this? Here's our haul. We got a mysterious package. It's really big. Jose, say hi. Guys, I'm not shitting you. I was cleaning the chairs and I pick up a chair over here and this fucking baby bird was just sitting there and I think it's injured. We don't really know what to do. I don't want to just leave it there. It's gonna die. I think we're gonna try and call animal control. Ridgewood Animal Control, I'm calling. Yeah, I'm waiting for animal control. I don't want to just leave it. I think it's like a baby duck. I don't know if it's injured or it just can't fly because it's a baby. Yeah. Yeah, it was under here before. I don't know why it went out in the rain.
Should I put him back there?
I just don't want to scare it.
You called him a long time ago?
Yeah, like a half hour ago or so.
Oh boy.
I did it. He's literally shaking. I'm a little scared for him. Okay, future Aaron is gonna narrate this part a little bit. We had to call like a bunch of different numbers in order to actually get through to animal control because it was like you call the animal control number and it's actually a bunch of different services, so they give you the number for Tyco, which is the actual animal control company. You call them and they say if you have an actual animal emergency, then you have to call the Hohokus police and they'll dispatch Tyco. We called the Hohokus police and they said they paged Tyco. But they didn't hear back because they're open 24 hours for emergencies, but since the bird was on the sidewalk and not actually in danger, like it wasn't in the street, they didn't consider it an emergency, so it was like after hours. At this point, I'd been sitting in the rain for an hour and it didn't seem like they were coming at all. So my dad told me that I should come home, eat dinner, and dry off and everything, and then just check back a little later to see if it ever got picked up. After about another hour, around 9 o'clock or so, I walked back over to the bakery with my mom to see if the bird was still there. It's still here.
Is it alive?
Yeah, it's alive.
There's a 24-hour animal hospital on Route 17.
No testing. We ended up just taking it back to my house, keeping it in a box on my porch overnight. So they open at 9 a.m. Then take you to the animal hospital first thing in the morning. You're gonna be fine. They're gonna take care of you tomorrow, okay? Hey guys, so it's the morning now. It's still raining, which is... You can hear it. Yeah, so we have it over here and we're about to bring it to Franklin Lakes Animal Hospital because they do wild animals. Yeah, here we go. Meeps?
You're not making a meat. Meep, meep, meep.
They're cute. We get a lot of them now. No one ever gets to see pigeon babies. They make the sound of like a little chicken. He's very strong.
Hasn't eaten them.
No, yeah, they're very hard to feed. As endearing as they are, if you find them, you have to get them into care. Thank you for saving him. There's
Of
no way he would
course.
survive out there by
Yeah.
himself. No way.
Thanks.
Thank you. Okay, so that was kind of a lot. Just to recap, the lady there told us that it was actually a baby pigeon and it just kind of like sounded like a duck and looked like a duck. So wow, I mean, I feel like pretty good about myself right now.
I'm basically Dr. Dolittle, so it's fine.
That's all I have for you guys. I hope you enjoyed. It was a pretty eventful day. My days honestly are usually not this exciting, but I had fun. I hope you guys had fun. You can feel good about yourself too, because you were with me on this journey to save the bird. So drop a like and subscribe if you enjoyed, if you want more videos like this. I mean, I don't know if anything this exciting will ever happen to me again, but if it does, I'll be sure to share it with you guys. Alright, see you later. Bye!